5:37 हुए और बाहर का तापमान 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस है।
वेलकम टू की ट्रैवलर्स गाइस। एक और नई सिटी और एक और नई कंट्री। लेट्स गो हांगकांग। वी आर फ्लाइंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली दिस टाइम, दिल्ली हांगकांग फ्लाइट। एज हांगकांग इज डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड रीजन, आपको हर जगह क्यूज मिलेंगी फ्रॉम पब्लिक विजिट प्लेसेस, इमिग्रेशन, एनीवेयर यू गो, बट इन एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे. You just need a pre-arrival request form. It's a visa-free stay for 15 days. If you're staying for more than 15 days, then you need a visa. इमिग्रेशन के बाद हम लोगों ने एयरपोर्ट एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन ली, जो कि एयरपोर्ट स्टेशन पे ही है, एंड द प्राइस फॉर दिस वाज अराउंड 1900 to 2000 फॉर 2 people आफ्टर डिस्काउंट. सो 2-3 चीज़ें विच विल कम रियली हैंडी वाइल यू आर ट्रैवलिंग टू हांगकांग इज़ 1 नियो कार्ड फॉर द करेंसी. आप हार्ड कैश की जगह नियो कार्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नंबर 2 इज़ ऑक्टोपस कार्ड which is a travel card for Hong Kong. It works in all public transport and 7-Eleven and some other outlets. Hong Kong में 90% people travel by public transport. They have very good public transport arrangement. Third thing is this app called Klook, Get Your Guide or Vegetar. आप इन तीनों में से कोई भी ले सकते हैं. Klook is on the top. It will give you good discount for any visit, any amusement park, anywhere you are going. You can get all these offers available on Klook. Welcome to day 1 in the mesmerizing skyscraper jungle of Hong Kong. After some much needed rest, we hit the streets in the evening, diving straight into city's electric nightlife, LKF, the heartbeat of Hong Kong's party scene. LKF is a historic district of narrow streets, alley lined up with restaurants and nightclubs and bars. You can come at night here and have good fun. Apart from all this, mid-level escalators are also at LKF, तो ये भी आपके लिस्ट पे 100% होना चाहिए. Let's go. So this escalator is the longest outdoor cover escalator system in the world, stretching for 800 meters and rising around 135 meters in elevation. सीधा सीधा कहा जाए तो 20 escalators and 3 moving walkways, और बहुत सारी entry और exit points हैं यहाँ पे. So here is a fun fact. Morning में it runs downhill towards Central from 6 to 10 a.m. and rest of the day till midnight it goes uphill. And because of many entry and exit points, आप रास्ते में शॉपिंग के लिए रुक सकते हैं, स्ट्रीट फूड के लिए या ड्रिंक्स के लिए भी ब्रेक ले सकते हैं. Okay, now let's go to Iron Ferry, one of the top rated bars over here. It feels like straight out of a fairy tale book. It has a very stunning decor including 10,000 dangling butterflies and miniature of iron rod fairy figures. Apart from the decor, the highlight of this place is live music and some good cocktails. Enjoy the vibes, guys. Night is young, guys. Let's go. Put it on your list, guys. This is Hong Kong's Cabaret Jazz Bar, a magical underground bar full of mysteries. You can't miss this. With the beat still buzzing in our head, we did what every true Hong Kong night owl does, hunted for legendary street food. And after some good street food, we did another task, that was finding our way back to the hotel and called it a night. That's a beautiful morning from a beautiful city, Hong Kong. Let's go. हमारे होटल के वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे देयर इज दिस कैफ़े कॉल्ड मिल्क कैफ़े. इसकी काफ़ी ब्रांचेस हैं. दिस अ वेरी गुड कॉफ़ी एंड बेवरेजेस एंड सो इज़ द फूड. Okay, let's see the Hong Kong map. नंबर 1 इज़ द प्लेस कॉजवे बे एंड सेंट्रल जहाँ हम रुके हैं. नंबर 2 इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ हमें जाना है विच इज़ कावलून एरिया. और सबसे अच्छी बात ये है ये चारों रीजन फेरी, बस और मेट्रो से कनेक्टेड है.
जैसे हम लोग बस से उतरे वर्षा इज शॉपिंग.
तो आज हम कावलून एरिया में शॉपिंग करने आए हैं. स्नीकर स्ट्रीट, टेम्पल स्ट्रीट, लॉट्स ऑन द लिस्ट. लेट्स गो. At Sneaker Street, you will get latest sports shoe. You will find new and big brands like Hoka, Nike, Adidas. You will find some niche brands, limited edition, bespoke creations. So everything which you otherwise will not find it easily will be available here. For shoe lovers, this is the paradise. This area name is Mongkok. This is home to every market, restaurant and shopping arcade imaginable. This is a one-stop to satisfy all your shopping needs or even for delicious street food. Guys, if you're carrying cash and you want a good currency exchange, you can come to this Chucking Mansion which is at Simsha Sui Nathan Road, Kowloon. और आपको अंदर बहुत अच्छे शॉप्स मिलेंगे with a good exchange rate. Because we were nearby and we couldn't resist the Avenue of Stars to see great star Bruce Lee statue. After entire day shopping, time to unwind at this beautiful rooftop bar. On our way we had Temple Street, a night market where you will find good delicacies and lots of shopping options. And that was end of our day too. Birthday boy! How were your 2 days in?
Okay, today it's awesome. जब भी मुझे पार्टी करने मिलता है, I feel good. I feel awesome.
That's all is your life?
I think so, yeah. So we are going to Macau. जो कि I think 1 बजे की फेरी है. It's gonna be 1 night staying there, and we're gonna come back here, and again we're gonna stay in central Hong Kong.
We have a 1 o'clock ferry to Macau. That's the one. Macau is also composed of 3 main areas. Macau Peninsula जहाँ पे हम लोग रह रहे हैं, Taipei Island and Kulen Island. And there is the Cotai Strip जहाँ पे मकाओ के लग्जरी होटल्स और फेमस कसिनोज आपको मिलेंगे. Welcome to Macau, guys, a city where old world charm meets the dazzling modern glamour. We are kicking things off at the iconic Grand Lisboa Hotel. This place feels like out of a Bond movie. First things first, quick room tour, freshen up, and then we will head out to explore. उसने बोला मिनी बार will be free, right? What's the number?
807.
Thank you. This also reminds me of American Horror Story. Oh my god. It's never ending. Yeah, but next to left. Let's go. There's the washroom. Lovely. And that's the big room. From a small room to such a big room. Happy birthday, Mayur. Buckle up and let's dive into magic.
Jam.
Another name for Macau, Las Vegas of Asia. Look at a vibrant blend of Chinese and Portuguese culture.
This is like huge. यार एरिया कितना सेक्सी लग रहा है यार.
The vibe here is straight out of a postcard, especially around the old Portuguese quarter, the cobbled streets, pastel buildings, and a relaxed European charm. Wow.
मुझे गाड़ी को लगा.
There is a good Portuguese and Cantonese street food. For vegetarians like me, must try. Ice creams and cookies should do the work. That's Macau's most iconic landmark, the ruins of St. Paul's. जो आप actually देख रहे हैं, that's just the front wall, what used to be a giant 17th century church. It was the biggest church in all of Asia, but then a fire in 1835 destroyed most of it. But this is a total hotspot. Tourists, photographers, snack stalls, street performers. It's buzzing with energy. Definitely a must visit if you are in Macau. We just wrapped up a super chill walking tour around this area, and wow, what a vibe. It's just 2 days after Christmas, so the whole area is totally decked up. Honestly, it felt like we are walking through a Christmas village in Europe, but with some dim sum around the corner.
I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah.
वर्षु अपना देख हॉट
Life is our game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place within our company.
Such a perfect way to spend the evening in Macau. आज हमारा दूसरा दिन है मकाऊ में एंड वी हैड अ लेट स्टार्ट या क्लियरली बिकॉज वी आर ऑन वेकेशन मोड. सो दिन की शुरुआत की जाएगी पहले खाने से. सो वी आर गोइंग फॉर ब्रंच एट इंडियन स्पाइस. After that, it is time to explore some of Macau's most iconic hotel and casinos, from ultra luxury lobbies to larger than life decor. Each one have their own vibe. And here we are at the famous MGM Macau. That gold, bronze and silver stacked glass designs. Totally eye-candy. The vibe here is upscale but not intimidating. Look at this giant atrium. This is called Grand Praca. This is very artistic, very chic. They have got a very high-end dining, a spanky casino floor, even an art gallery. Basically, it's a mix of luxury and creativity. MGM is definitely one to check out, even if you are not staying here. So we started our journey in the Macau Peninsula. Now we are heading to Taipei Island and the famous Cotai Strip. In Macau, we found two types of public transport. One was bus and the second was private taxi. Private taxis are too costly, so we picked the bus, and that's the view of Taipei. And finally, we are heading to the famous Cotai Strip, aka Macau's version of Vegas. Cotai Strip is glamorous, over the top and totally unforgettable. You have got mega resorts like the Venetian, the Galaxy Macau, Studio City, City of Dreams and more. Each one bigger, shinier and crazier than the last. We're just outside the Londoner Macau. And look at this. It's dramatic, it's themed and it's over the top in the best way. If you ever wanted the taste of London without leaving Asia, this is the place. Pure extravaganza. Marble floors, chandeliers, British royal glam. You will find nods of London landmark. Royal guards, you can click pictures with them, and look at this Crystal Palace atrium. And we are heading to Churchill Stable, easily one of the prettiest and most Instagrammable spots right here. Fell in love with this restaurant. They are known for their legendary afternoon tea, fancy finger sandwich and some amazing desserts. It's classy but super cozy, and honestly the perfect spot to slow down and treat yourself to all that hotel hopping and sightseeing. Macau's Cotai Strip is like world tour in one street. Venice, Paris, London in all high definition luxury. Basically, if you want gondola rides or Eiffel Tower views, you have it both. Welcome to Venetian Macau. There was a connecting bridge from Londoner. This place is massive. We are talking one of the largest hotels in the world. This has beautiful Italian architecture and painted ceilings. It's got luxury shopping, tons of restaurant, huge casino. That's what it is. You got a glimpse there. And now we are at indoor canal areas. There is a gondola ride which we are gonna spot right away. Oh, this place is so pretty. Guys, this is extra dreamy and it's total must see while you are in Macau. Macau really is the perfect blend of East meets West, old world charm and ultra modern glam. This trip was nothing short of magical. And if you're planning a trip to Macau, trust us, it's so worth it. This is our time to head back to Hong Kong. We are about to take ferry from this island only. And in the end, as we always say, whatever makes your soul happy, do that.